guys, today we making slime. We already made one, so yeah, let's get started. Wait, let me empty my plate out. Get our slime out. We get our sticky slime off our plate. Especially me, mine is so sticky.
Mine too.
Jada's is so sticky. So, we're finna get started, you guys.
What's your name? Kennedy?
My name is Kennedy.
And Teddy.
His name is Jaden. He said it good. So, let's get started.
He's number 3.
He's 3 years old and I'm 9 years old. So, Jaden's. Let me get over here, man. So let's get started. I'm just gonna use my hands or my. Just slide yours over. So yes, let's pour my glue on. I'm just gonna stir it. My glue first. And I'm just gonna get the activator. I still got a lot of activator glue. Put the activator in.
See, y'all can get along with each other. See how you get along with him? When I'm doing stuff. Then y'all do stuff. Stop.
I put my activator in and he's activating a little bit here and his activator in yet. I'm waiting on him to add his activator. Yeah. That one's sticky. Jay, your hands is dirty. That's enough. Huh? Oh, look at Jaden's.
So now.
Mm-hmm.
Who was that?
Huh?
Who did that?
That's mine. I'm just laying it right there. So I get finished with this video. Jay, you need some more activator now?
Yeah.
She got some out of hat. Jay, you don't need no more, baby. You got enough.
Yeah, you got it.
Yours blue. No problem, more. Yours enough. Stir it up.
Yeah, stir it like mine.
Stir it up good. Want mama help you stir it? Mama help you stir it. Move that spoon out the way.
Oh, it's activating now. You need some more activator money because you see that white.
Wait, can let me stir it up, stir it up. Move out, baby. Let me get you right here.
Let me need mine. I need mine.
Want mama get you right?
I need a knife.
Hold on. I got you. See that? Hold on, I'm gonna get you glue up the side.
Oh, Jada got a lot of it. Now, can I have one of your spoons?
No, goodness. Now, y'all can share these.
Huh. Put this right here.
There you go. Look at this. It's still sticky.
I'm finna pour all my glue.
Don't pour all that glue.
I'm just add some more.
Me too.
Just keep doing with it. I don't need no more.
Jay, you gotta get that off your plate first.
I don't need no more. I'm trying to get this one straightened out, boo. Everybody got it.
You, ooh.
Go get them whites.
Oh, Mama, look at Jaden. Look at Jaden's mom. Oh, I'm getting jealous. Jaden, you're so pretty.
It is, ain't it?
He poured out his glue in.
You gotta keep stirring it, still sticky. Yeah.
You need to add some more activator.
That's why it's sticky.
Yeah, you need to add some more activator. If mine be sticky, I'll add it more. See? Mine's sticky right now.
All over her hands, Lord.
It's just
See, why you get the wipes off the floor?
I did. It's
Off
right
the
there.
floor.
Oh.
And get my phone. Hold on, baby. Trying to get it unsticky. Don't you want it unsticky?
Yeah, you need to get it unsticky so it won't get it.
You added so much glue.
Uh-huh. That's what makes it stickier if you add more glue. See how this one is? It's not sticky.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, Jadis. Let me touch yours. It ain't sticking no more.
It ain't.
Let me pick it up. It's just, you're not used to slime, Mama. You got to knead it.
Put it down.
Let me add some more activator.
Jada, we're trying to get you right.
Yeah, Jay.
Golly. Stop fussing.
That's what I'm finna do. Put all my stuff in there. And add some more. Jane, and you supposed to. You gotta make sure it's not sticky no more. Don't you want that? Not sticky?
Sleepy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Ooh, man. Not sticky. So this is the slime that I made. And my rest of mine is up there. My brother's sleepy. Mama, we need to start doing YouTube. It makes slime. Every time we get some glue, it makes slime. We're going to call our series the Slime People.
All right, look.
We're going to do the slime stuff.
Huh?
Yes, Mom.
It's sticky ain't it?
Yes, Lord.
Or the side of your hands. That work.
Yeah.
Huh? They try to get that.
Ugh. Here.
What? It's just.
Uh-uh. Put them up.
What, Red? Huh? Ooh.
Uh-uh, Jay.
It's just a word. A, B, G.
Oh, he's shooting a bird.
Put that hand down. Put it down.
Who?
You.
That's enough.
It's him.
Yes.
Sticky. Red. Sticky.
This for sure sticky.
Yeah.
I don't need to be up.
Ooh. Shooting a bird.
Stop, Jaden. I'm not going to tell you no more.
This is not too much.
Stop. You ain't got no business doing that.
Now you all look in the video screaming.
So? Reggie. Get her out that wall.
Children book.
Call her down in the house. Don't no complaining. Red right behind.
I don't think he owns it.
You been out the door today either.
Now him, he work here. He work on Sundays sometimes. Sometimes he work on Sundays probably. Huh? Red's probably be asleep because he worked tonight.
That little boy out there, the other son.
Uh-uh.
Oh, he ain't home then. What's about Diego brother?
Mine is sticky. Look, Mom.
Well, Rex ain't home then.
Because he comes on weekends when he's daddy.
I want to wash my hands.
Go in the bathroom.
I did.
He's working on Mama.
I'm trying to get it, baby. You gonna get me all slimed in.
Ooh, I like this one. Oh,
Y'all
yes.
on the video.
Oh, yes. This is the kind of slime I'm talking about. Oh, jeez, it's sticky. It's sticky, man.
Trying to get this one together. Trying to keep it on the plate.
Need some more activator.
I'm gonna be missing the ingredients.
Huh? You gotta add some more time to make it not sticky. Cause if you don't add it,
That eye solution.
huh? You don't need no eye solution because it ain't gonna be stretchy. Yeah, eye solution don't work with it because it's gonna be. Especially with glue, it ain't gonna work. You're gonna have to need shaving cream. You're gonna have to need shaving cream.
Listen.
Uh-huh.
Go again. See how it stretches back out?
See, it's not sticking anymore. All you gotta do is just play with it. Okay. Mine ain't that sticky anymore, I think. I ain't gonna say I think, because it might be. But you know what, Kelly on YouTube?
She in that room, y'all just straighten it up.
Huh?
Sound like she in that room.
It'll be alright, I'll straighten it back. No, she good to play in that boy room. This half of mine. You like it, Mom?
I'm trying, baby.
Add some more activator.
That hurt.
Sit down.
Really?
Sit down in that. Actually. Sit down in that chair.
I will.
Huh?
I will.
Mine's almost right.
Mine too. That James too.
Well, you should have made some.
I'm talking mine too.
Me that. This way. He's my muffin shooting my other slime. Here got my other slime. It kind of cooled down and not sticky no more. And here got my stickier slime that I just added in here.
Coming out my hand.
Huh?
Coming out my hands.
It ain't sticky no more.
Put it in, girl. Let me work with it.
I thought you next time.
All right.
What
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Be careful.
So yeah. Here go the slime. I just heard somebody name.
Light them out there.
Sound like she said eat something. So we used no coloring because my mom told me to throw it in the trash can because it was getting all over the rugs. So we threw the coloring in the trash can. This one is really stretchy.
Don't let her get my spark.
And I like it.
Well, she got water on herself.
So I really love this slime. But the reason why I don't like it because it's too sticky. And we're using Tide. The original Tide. Yeah, original.
Jay, now you worry about the slime. I'm on your hands free. Playing ball.
So it's coming off my hands. That can tell this right. But if it come off my hand, that means it's ready and eat it. It's coming off my hand. That means it's ready. Well, a little bit coming off of my hand.
You better eat the ball.
Not quite. It needs a little more playing with it.
Huh?
It needs a little more playing with it.
Ain't no.
She says, alright. Got it.
She said, get it.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, Didi. I can't use all that glue can. See, you don't know how to save now, do you?
I got some more. I'm just making nice. It's almost slimy. If I keep stirring all of this, so
Check it out.
ooh, it's funky.
It ain't sticky either. See?
Oh, man, you can do it this time.
Leave it alone. That's what I'm finna do. Yeah? Let's play with mine. Do yours.
That's yours now, Mama?
What?
That's yours now? Mine is sticky.
No! No! What they do? What you do?
Out here.
What they do?
All right, Dave.
No!
Hush, Groaning.
No!
Hush, Groaning.
I know if I post this on YouTube, I'm going to be watching my video.
Because I'm talking all in the background.
No!
Yeah, they know if people gonna talk.
Huh? It's not that sticky. I'm just coming out the plate. That means it's like at the plate.
What's that?
This thing.
What he's talking?
Somewhere over there. That's sticky. Yes, right now. I need to keep stirring. I need mine with my hands. Like these.
I'm doing it too, baby. Just with my hand. I just got it sitting on the plate.
See if it gets stuck on your hands, all you gotta do is just do like that. It can stick it again. See, it's sticky.
Hey!
You guys finished, Mama?
What happened? Don't make a fire her, Sir Jay.
Somebody just want like times.
It looks like it's good, don't it?
Well, but it's still sticky.
Mm-hmm. A little.
It'll do.
Yeah. Look at my hand working on it for him. Look at mine.
It's shaky.
You would think it'll be right by now.
Yeah. It should.
The way his hand working. Real.
This got bubbles in it. That got bubbles.
See, I'm stirring it up.
You gotta play with it in your hand. Like that.
About right. It ain't sticking that much. Janie, you left me to do this.
Yeah.
And he said, yes, ma'am. My 3-year-old son. Anything for my babies, though. Anything for my babies.
What's she doing that for?
Crazy. On TV.
Look, wanna see how much it is?
Well, Ken, this is my first time doing this, so you know,
You
of
gotta
course,
get used to it.
I'm gonna have
Some issues with it.
yes, of course. Unfortunately,
We get this. This Jaden's son, you know that?
Mom,
go ahead and use it.
Mommy, look. Mommy, I'll do this.
Jaden put too much glue in his. That's why it's like this. See that? So sticky.
You can use like the whole bottle.
Huh, Jaden?
Yeah, that bottle back on. Hey.
Tea probably. Reggie, stop. Get it up. Don't lick out. Bring the phone over here so they can see me smiling.
Go back there and find her some toys.
Huh?
Go back there and find her some toys.
It's stretchy. And back of the so they can see.
That smells good.
Smell like washing powder, don't it?
Wash my clothes in.
It's detergent. Detergent make any sound. Bang. Extra. Now, can we put this on YouTube? Make a YouTube channel. We can make it. They can watch our videos. We get likes.
Get from over there, T. Get from over there, TT stuff. Thank you, sweet. No more. Take that ball in the room. That was too close in.
I almost matched your stuff, man.
Not lamp.
Oh, that big lamp.
The one on the table. And that one too, you didn't hear it rocking?
Huh?
That one too, you didn't hear it rocking?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
Man,
Jamie. It usually do go when I do like that. Jamie's alright now?
I think so.
Let me see.
Like I got it, but
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that is sticking. That is sticking.
dude, I think I got it. I think I got you right. There.
Oh, yeah. But that was good day.
So I want y'all to get this video to like 1,000 likes and we'll make more videos. Bye.